How to set tap duration on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on interaction and dexterity. From here, tap on tap duration. Then we go down and tap on set tap duration. And from here, you can increase the duration, the time duration, by tapping on the add button or tap on the decrease button to change the decrease the time. So we can set the number from 0.1 seconds to a maximum of 4 seconds. So tap on the add button to change it. Tap on the try it out button to try it out. So say too quick, try again. So tap a circle to test your tap duration. So tap recognize. So try it out. So hold for at least a few seconds or a few nanoseconds and then tap on done. Okay, so that's how you can change it. If you want to use it, if you like to change the default, then make sure you turn on tap duration and then tap on keep it on. And that's it. Now it is turned on. So you can see if I tap on it straight away, it will not work. So I need to touch and hold for a few seconds before it works. And that's it. So I'm going to tap on the back key to save the changes. Okay, so we'll maybe try it out. Then tap on done. And that's it. Okay, so if you want to turn it off, you can do so as well. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.